Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you eBay product scraper to scrap the products data from ebay.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap the products data by using the product links. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will just have to run this exe file. Well, today I have a list of 150 random product links. Just copy them and paste here. Here are three options. First one is by using the keywords, second one is by using the product links, and the third one is by using the category or supplier links. But today we are going to do scrapping with the product links. Once you put all of your desired product links, before starting, go in the options to choose your desired data columns. I am choosing all, and these are some additional features. I explain them later in the video. Just click start button. Now it is scraping the data. And to count the number of rows, right click at any column name and click show footer, and on the footer right click on it and click count here. It will then show the number of rows that have been scrapped. And here are some additional features. This feature is to download all images of each product. I am clicking this OK, and I show you how it downloads the images. It downloads the images in this folder, product images, and here you can see the images are downloading with the name of SKU, so that we can find the images by using SKU number easily. But I don't need this feature right now, and this feature is to save the data in the database. SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. Let me show you. This is the SQLite, and here data is saving here as well. You can clear data by using this feature. Now it will clear all the data from here. And this option will export all the data on completion. And this is notification system. All you need is to type your email here and choose your desired time interval, but in my case I am going to use this option. Okay, and to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I will show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scrapping is near to be completed. Now it is exporting all the data and it is showing message all products data have been scrapped and exported into external file. Now I show you where it exports the data. You can go the output location from here as well. And this is the scrapped file and it is named with the current date and time. Now this is the exported data. Okay. And now I show you how to export this data manually. Click export button and specify your output location. For example, desktop, and type your file name here and choose your desired output format, and this option will open the file after exporting. Okay, this is our file and we can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use. And we has also enabled email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. Okay, we have received an email and it is showing that it has scrapped 156 total products and application name as well. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.